Hello friends, so you want to post on YouTube. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that very simple and easy with this step-by-step guide here. So we're going to hop into YouTube here so you can see exactly what is going on. Now, I'm assuming you do already have a YouTube channel created. If you do not, comment down below. I can definitely walk you through how you do that. But so that being said, what we are going to be doing, we're going to go up to this create button. Now you could do other ways, but this is going to be the easiest way. So if you go up to hit create, now you can go live, you can create a post, but we're going to go to upload video here. What's going to happen here is it will take you to this page here. Now this put me into my YouTube studio. So again, we're going to be able to see some other things in just a second here. What you're going to do is you're going to select a file, and this is where you're going to want to make sure you know exactly where everything is located. So again, I have just a random video here I'm going to put in. So we are going to hit open and give it some time. It depends on how big the video actually is. Now what you're going to want to do here is the title itself. You are going to want to have something that's very catchy and something that's going to really grab someone's attention, because you just put what I just had there, no one's going to watch this video. But if you put like why you need to post on YouTube, this would grab their attention. Again, you can do definitely anything you want here. Your description, same thing here. This is where you're going to be talking about what exactly is in the video. This is also where you can put any links to your email, newsletter, your affiliate links, anything where you want to really add more education or value to your audience. This is where you would type this. So this is just typing anything out. What you can also do here though too, which I highly recommend when you are posting a video, is if you do a hashtag, you can then do anything here like a how-to video, and this will actually help sort your video even more, so education to those areas. Now granted, you still want to look at all those because you don't want to just click a bunch of different random hashtags. You do want to have one that does fit your style. Now, as we keep going here, next we're going to go to upload file. You could do auto generation or test compare, but I typically do update file just because I've created a photo, and therefore, again, we are going to click that and it's going to go right into that area. So we will see that right away for the most part, and you can see if it does fit your style and your screen. Again, you want to use Canva or some type of imaging generator to create this, because this again will grab their attention. Now, as you scroll down here, I always check no here. This isn't for kids, especially the video I'm making here. This is for anyone trying to do a YouTube video. But if you do have content just strictly for kids, you would want to click this, so that way you're not breaking any laws or rules with YouTube here. Next, you're going to click show more. Now, I'm not doing a promotion in this video, but you probably have seen promotions in videos. So again, you would check that if you are. I haven't altered anything, and then we're going to allow automatic chapters, key moments. This really helps people just jump around into what they are looking for in a video, especially on any tutorials. So probably in this video, YouTube will probably make one, and I had nothing to do with that. But as we scroll down here, we're going to keep going. Tags. This is where you really want to focus on what you want to put here. So this video right now, we're talking about education, but the one I'm uploading here is with soccer. So if I start just adding things like this, this is all you're doing. You're typing something, hitting enter. You're going to have all these keywords, because when someone is searching for this thing, this is going to help bring this video up. Now, granted, you still want to have how to play soccer, but I wouldn't want to have Apple products, because this has nothing to do with the actual video. So again, you want to make sure these are key, and say you did that, you just hit remove and that'll happen there. Next, you can just change any of these things, but I always keep it standard to what YouTube has here. And then auto remix, same thing, keeping all this. The one thing you would want to change here, depending if you have this situated or not. Now this again is the master media content, so it's a how-to style type thing, but because of the video I'm technically showing you in this video right now, this would be a sport. But again, we will change that in just a second here, back to a how-to and style. Now everything else, like I said, I will keep how that is. We would then hit next. So as you see here, this is going along and showing us exactly where we're at. I then go to here, import video, because this will then actually help you grow your channel even more. So the more videos you have, this will then make sure at the end of the video itself, you will see this. So you want to drag this, And this, you've probably seen this before. When people have videos at the end, this will then pop video here, and you can move this around to wherever you want. You can also add this here because then they can click there and subscribe to your YouTube channel. This is where, again, if you have a playlist, this will pop up to the next video, and you can do different elements if you wanted to. If we discard this change, we can then go to a different thing and import in a different way. And again, I can click these videos and add that in as well. So if we go back here, it is right there now. And again, I can change this to however I want, and you can even throw it into the middle of the video as well. So when people talk about check out this video here, it would pop right there and it would disappear once we hit the 720 mark again. Now, as I hit save here, this will take us to the last part and next. So this is where it's going to be checking everything, just to making sure there's no copyrights or anything. Now, mine already went through all this. If you have a longer video, sometimes it does take it just a little bit longer. But the last part, which is really vital, what we want to do here, this is where you really want to know. If you know what time you're going to be publishing, and say you want to publish right away, you would obviously hit public, and this would set it up. But if you set it as an instant premiere, this actually will change the time when it'll actually be shown. So what you can do here is change the time frame whenever you want to upload it. So right now it's going to go up at 12 a.m. We could change it to different time zones, set as a premiere. This again changes the style of how it exactly would look. Now I'm going to hit back here for just a second so we can go next here again so we can see it. So if I exit this out and actually click back up here, we can also do then is make it private so no one can see it if you want. Do unlisted, where then you just send it out to people, and so therefore again this really doesn't change your algorithm at all. Or again, if you wanted to, you can go public here and then schedule it out once again to whenever you want it to actually go, because once that time frame hits, it will then be sent out for that person. Now, I'm not going to hit schedule because that would push this out onto this channel, which again, this isn't a soccer channel, it's a how-to video, but that is how you would actually make a YouTube video and post it on YouTube, which again, I think this is a fairly simple way of doing it. If you do have any questions, so obviously ask and I can definitely answer those questions. But if you did find this very helpful, I greatly appreciate if you do hit the like button, subscribe down below. Let me know if you do have any questions. I'm more than happy to help you out. And I do have a newsletter down below. It does give you more information on social media and how to post on there. So again, if you want to check that out, I'll just give you more information. So that is it, and I will see you in our next video.